Unpack and confirm that the parts are complete. Step 1. Install the handlebars. Loosen the fixing screws of the handlebar, grasp the front fork with one hand, and adjust the vertical direction to the front. Remove the handlebar cover and install the handlebar. When tightening the handlebar vertical cover, tighten the handlebar vertical cover diagonally in sequence. Step 2. Install the front wheels, and remove the front fork protective rod. Unscrew the quick release rod, insert the quick release rod into the front axle, put the small spring head inward, and then screw on the nut gently. Lift the front fork, install the wheel into the front fork, and clamp the disc brake disc into the caliper. Hold the nut with one hand, and tighten the handle with the other hand. Press the handle from time to time, to feel the resistance, and press the handle when two fingers of the handle cannot be pulled apart. Make sure that the handlebar and the front fork are perpendicular to each other, and tighten the handlebar screws. Install the fender into the front fork, align the whole position of the headlight and fender, clamp the nut with an open-ended wrench, and tighten the screw. Fix the holes on the fender bracket and the front fork with screws. Press the power on button for a long time, and the embedded instrument panel lights up to start the electric power assistance. Step 3. Install the foot pedal. Take out the foot pedal. L is the left foot pedal, R is the right foot pedal. Install the left and right pedals on both sides of the crank, and tighten them to the front wheel with an open-ended wrench. Step 4. Install the saddle. Install the saddle onto the pipe seat. Insert the pipe seat into the riser beyond the minimum safety line. Pull out the wire of the pipe seat tail lamp from the hole at the bottom of the riser, and connect the battery. Then tighten the seat quick release. After starting, the saddle tube tail light will light up automatically. When braking, the tail light automatically highlights. Check the tightness of the brake. If the disc is rubbed, adjust the brake through the screws on the caliper. So far, the installation is completed. If you have any questions, please contact us.